always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed. I feel that.
Happy birthday, Jen! Happy birthday! This is my birthday gift for you. Crispy fried pork. This is chicharon. This is you. Happy birthday!
Wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jen! Kung si Ma'am Sheila, merong what do you call it? Kung may chicharon sa Ma'am Sheila, ako may taba ng baboy para sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone
Happy birthday! May tanong ako sa'yo. Ham ka ba?
Bakit?
Eto ka oh! Happy birthday!
keep me together and believes without a doubt.
Hi, Ma'am Jen! Happy birthday! Nakita mo ba to? Di ba you love chicken? I love chicken! Yun naman sabi ko kasi inalikusta ka na nila. So may iba ako. Chicken.
Hey Jen, happy birthday! Oh, dahil meron kami mga pinipare na pictures that represent you, I choose egg.
Why egg?
Itlog. Bakit? Kasi kahit bilog, gugulong-gulong ka at lagi kang nandiyan.
Ikaw nagpapaalat ng
Ikaw na bilog. Okay? Happy birthday!
I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out.
Hi! Jenny, happy birthday! Para sa'yo, pusit.
Bakit?
Favorite ka tong pusit. At dahil favorite din kita kagabi, pusit. I hope you have many more birthday to come. I love you.
If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be.
Knock knock!
Who's there?
Keso!
Keso who?
Keso ka ba, Jen? I choose Keso, Jen, kasi napaka-cheesy mo. As we all know, Keso, maraming variety niyan, maraming special dish yan from other country. Merong mabaho, merong mabako, merong masarap, merong mapangit ang lasa. Pero kasi, hindi naman ganun ang ibig sabihin. Ikaw kasi full of talent ka. That's why I chose cheese. Kasi, punong-puno ka ng talento. Go, Jen! I love you! Sobrang cheesy! Mag-cheese ka na! Cheeseburger! Cheeseburger!
But if you all had it all figured out, then you'd never get out of bed. Well, no doubt, of all the things that I've read, what he wrote me is now sounding like the man I was hoping to be. I keep him keeping it real, cause it keeps getting easier, he'll see.
Noodles for Ma'am Jen. Kasi parang noodles ang buhok.
One else.
Hi Jen! Happy birthday! So this ice cream is sure to you kasi gusto namin ng ice cream sa birthday mo, ha? So enjoy! You have a very good
You
daughter.
said you shouldn't mumble when you speak, but keep your tongue up in your cheeks. And if you stumble onto something better, remember that it's humble that you seek. You got all the skill you need, individuality. You got something to call it gumption, to call it anything you want. Because when you play the fool now, you're only fooling everyone else. You're learning to love yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Yes, you. There's no price to pay. No, no. When you give it what you take.